Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are again on Keeper. So today I was like, torn apart. Should I do video on Ethereum or Keeper, due to the fact they both have some sort of opportunities on it. And then I just kindly reminded myself that I'm doing a stream today as well, or tomorrow when this video is posted. And yes, I will do a deeper analysis on that one on Ethereum tomorrow, right? So then today I'll go back to the Keeper, and mostly I'm going back to the Keeper because obviously, yes, the first trade that we took on Keeper played out nicely, but I kind of now want to warn people that it's kind of getting overextended, right? So we'll cover this most of the points today. And before we go onwards, also Bitcoin is kind of reacting off that 14k area, which what we expected already, because we had an area there for some time now, right? So right now we will see where Bitcoin or Ethereum takes us. I mean, Bitcoin still looking pretty sharp, right? It's Ethereum that is problematic. That's why I wanted to do a video about it today. But okay, without further ado, let me first tell you guys, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, punch that notification button, and we do these videos every day except on Sunday, right? And yes, mostly now that we are kind of stuck in the quarantine, we don't have much else to do. And, it's election week, guys. It's pretty crazy. It's election week. So, markets can go pretty crazy during this time. So I do implore you to take extra precautions. And yes, today we are again on Chartex Pro, which is a pretty good tool to track these, coins that are listed on Uniswap. So yeah, we are back at Keeper. So first trade was around down here. Wait, let me just change the color of this box, and I'm not sure why box is not, rectangle is not working. Oh yeah, here we go. So rectangles, the first trade was right here, and at the end of that video I even mentioned that we might go test deeper levels on Keeper, and right now I am pretty sure that we are close to doing that, and I have several reasons, right? So first of all, Keeper went 300x in like 2 days or something, or even 360x or something like that, right? So that was already, that's pretty crazy to begin with, right? But now what you've seen is we are slowly dropping the volume. You can see that we are slowly dropping the volume and we are going sideways, right? So after initial reaction here, which we took the TP right here, you can already tell that if it's not gonna break this point and the volume is going down, it's probably gonna go test deeper. And in this cases right now, because it's still so much X or still so much extended, we actually have a pretty good chances that it's gonna go test deeper levels, right? So right now, the next level, what we have to do is we will have to fish for something underneath this structure, because as you can see with this week that has recently came down all the way down here, right? You can see that we tested the bottom of this structure already, and I'm not sure why this tool is so awkward today, but it's usually much better. So yeah, we already tested the deep of this structure, so the chances are we're not going to do it twice. The chances are then the next time we come around here, the structure is probably going to be broken, right? Especially the fact. So right now, because you had such a big reactions from this, you can only guess where the initial reaction is going to come. Now the thing is, what do I guess is, because this candle right here, what is representing right here, is the first candle where it was kind of questionable, is the price going to go higher or is the price going to break down? So I'm going to bet now, and this is probably the best I can do because we are already in hourly chart. I don't want to go in any lower time frames. This is probably the best bet that we have right now to conduct that this is going to be a next stop for Keeper, right? So in this case, I'm going to move this box. I'm going to move this box all the way to here, and I'm not sure why box is moving so slowly. And I'm going to tag this candle and I'm going to spread it around. And as you can see, if I tag it with some lines, horizontal lines in this case, right? You can actually see that the box is between $85 to $55, right? And this is sort of the best bet if Keeper fails this area, right? So if Keeper fails this area, this is sort of my best bet where Keeper is gonna land. And let's just, for fact say that Keeper is gonna land there, right? Let's just for fact say, let's just use a long position right here. So we are probably gonna have to place our stop underneath a candle or something, right? Which in this case, as you can see, the stop loss is gonna be absolutely huge, but there's nothing else that we can do because the on the way up we extended it so much. We have nothing else to do in this manner, right? So yes, even supposedly stop loss is gonna be fat, but then also the target is gonna be fat as well. I mean, naturally fatter, right? So, and you probably guessed it already, because this is such an important area. Our first profit target is gonna be taken right here. And in this case, it's a box, so you can use this. I can use this to create another rectangle, and it's going to be problematic for some reason again, because the tool is a little bit awkward. So yes, you can take profit from here to here. So you can say, if you go right down the middle, you can see it's 2.2R or 90% increase, right? And then again, it's going to be the same story as it was up here when you were waiting for it to break. So if this area then breaks, then your next TP target should be around here, and then in that case you can see it's about 200%, and that makes it quite interesting. And then you're waiting actually on the same exact thing. If it's gonna break, then it's gonna go all the way up to there, and then you can see 300%. But for that to happen, they would really have to have a lot of bullishness into them, right? Because we have to imagine that this is a couple of days old coin, and when it's a couple of days old coin, you have to just kind of remember that, you know, usually when you see these big stack coins, it takes them a long time to build the structure to actually go that high and to, you know, obtain so many people. So you do have to keep this shit in mind, because, you know, it can very well kill you if you're too bullish and you don't want to sell, because these coins that go up so fast, they can also end up down very fast. So if you bought here right in, you can very well find yourself at 50 bucks entry or 60 bucks entry quite fast if you're not careful, right? So yes, guys, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video. Also join us at 4C Telegram community, where we discuss stop losses, entries, you know, do Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis daily, and also have weekly streams, right? And yeah, join us tomorrow and stream, or should I say today, when this video is uploaded. And thank you for watching. Gonna see you at the next one.